Very few homes on Sydney's upper North Shore can boast the elegance, sophistication and old world charm that La Encantada can. Sitting on some 4,046 square metres in the heart of Wahroonga and designed by renowned architect Alan Edgecliffe Stafford, this is a home that absolutely demands your attention. With its Spanish mission grandeur and breathtaking 7-metre entry foyer, this home is one of a kind. Ornate fireplaces, a dramatic LED light window, and hand-painted Don Quixote floor tiles showcase the home's artistry. Spanning over 600 square metres, the residence offers refined formal and casual living. A dignified study with fireplace flows to the terrace, while the grand dining and lounge open to sun-filled conservatory. The marble chef's kitchen, with butler's pantry and excellent storage, adjoins casual dining and connects seamlessly to multiple alfresco terraces. Limestone paved entertaining areas surround a heated pool, with a versatile guest house featuring a kitchenette and bar, bathroom and studio. Perfect for visitors, extended family or an au pair. Up to 7 bedrooms including a master with walk-in robe and ensuite, plus a second suite with adjoining study and bedroom. Timeless stone bathrooms, cellar, hydronic heating, reverse cycle air conditioning, security and generous storage complete the picture. Set beyond secure wrought iron gates, the beauty of the residence is complemented by the excellence of Peter Fudge designed parterre gardens that now display their original vision in botanic glory. A sweeping driveway leads to the double lock-up garage and provides ample parking for additional cars and guests. Coveted by luxury brands for photo shoots and film locations, the home also offers added income potential. With its close proximity to some of Sydney's most elite secondary schools, including Knox Grammar, Abbotsleigh and Barker College, this property is a must-see. For further information, please call Philip Waller or Darren Curtis.